How to add a hyperlink to your PowerPoint presentation. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add a hyperlink in your PowerPoint presentation. But before that, if you're new to App Hacks, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your PowerPoint. After you open it up, head over to the slide in which you want to add your hyperlink in. So let's say this is the text I want to add my hyperlink in. Now simply select the text, head over to insert, it's right on the side of home. After you do that, you should see an option that says link. Tap on link and here you will find an insert link option. Simply paste the address here and tap on OK. And there you go, you have just added a hyperlink to your presentation. Now simply Ctrl+click to head over to that very site. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. And that is all for the video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.